How to block ads on Facebook. For that purpose, head over to your Facebook app and then you're going to type onto the top right of Facebook and you're going to scroll down and head over to settings. Then we're going to tap into account center and then we're going to head over to ad preferences. Account center, and here we are going to head into ad preferences. Now from here we can simply tap into the customize ads tab here, and from here we can control and see the ads that we saw from, and below they're going to list down the advertisers that we saw the ads from. We'll have a list of these advertisers. We can simply click on and tap onto the advertiser and just simply hide the ads from that specific advertiser. Let's click on it. Add topics, and from here we can view and manage topics and click on see less. So since we haven't chosen any specific topic over here in my account, but you will have like a list of advertisers that you saw ads from and you can simply block them that way.